This meditation is requested by Orlet. It is a revision meditation. So get comfortable in your favorite position and close your eyes. And we are going to go on a little journey together to revise something that has been unpleasant for you. But first, we're going to start with the breathing to get you into a relaxed and receptive state. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. So now bring your awareness to your mind's eye and just think about or picture a scene of something that's happened, whether it was a long time ago or something recent. If this particular situation or event is still affecting you emotionally, it really doesn't matter how far back it goes. So I'd like you to just think of this event or this situation and not to go back over it so that it reinfects you with the bad feeling, but just remind yourself of it. Feel the feelings a little bit. And what we are going to do is spend some time revising it the way you would have liked it to be. So, now with this situation in mind, I'd like you to just spend a bit of time during this meditation going through it step by step, the way you would have liked it to unfold, so that there was a good feeling outcome. So, I'm going to give you a little bit of time in the silence to just go over it 3 or 4 times from the beginning to the end, only using how you would have liked it to be. So now I'm going to give you that time to do it for yourself in imagination and use the senses, whichever senses are relevant, whether it's visual, audio, hearing someone saying something, touching something with your hands, smelling something with your nose, or tasting something with your tongue. So add in whichever senses are relevant for this scene. So you can do this now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now, this time you're going to go through it again, but adding more feeling. Now that you've run through the scene a few times and you know the way you'd like it to go, now it's getting into the state of feeling the joy, the relief, the fun, the love, whatever feeling is relevant to the situation. This time around, do it 3 or 4 times again and inject the feeling. So you can do this now. breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. So now your day's revision is done. Just let that go now, let it go, let it fade back, fade away, and know you can come back to it any time you choose. So now, for today, that is enough. 1% a day, the turtle wins the race. So now I'm going to slowly count you out of this meditation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your awareness back to where you are, sitting or laying down. Feel whatever you're sitting on or laying on, and slowly start to move your legs and arms, wriggle your feet, toes, fingers, hands, and slowly move your neck and head, and become aware of your surroundings, any sounds outside or inside. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes.